Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start the insurance services. That is an important service for running a business in modern world. So insurance is a contract between the insurer and the insured, in which the insurer agrees to make good the loss of insured on happening of an event in consideration of regular payment. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बेसिकली there is a contract between insurer and insured. There are two people, one is insurer, one is insured, and the insurer is agreeing that he will make good the loss of insured in case a certain events happen, ठीक है ना, and in return he will take a regular payment which is called premium. This agreement or contract is in writing and it is known as insurance policy. So there were few words which were mentioned in this definition. The first one is insurer. इंश्योरर हो गई वो कंपनी जो इंश्योरेंस दे रही है, ठीक है ना. इट इज़ अ कंपनी विच एग्रीज टू कंपनसेट द लॉस. इंश्योर्ड मीन्स द पर्सन और द फर्म हु विल गेट द कंपनसेशन ऑफ लॉस और हु इज टेकिंग द पॉलिसी. हैपनिंग ऑफ एन इवेंट, हैपनिंग ऑफ इवेंट मीन्स जिस पर्पज़ के लिए आपने इंश्योरेंस कराया है, ठीक है ना, कि सब्जेक्ट मैटर क्या है उस पॉलिसी का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फायर इंश्योरेंस की बात करें तो फायर इंश्योरेंस में सब्जेक्ट मैटर है कि अगर फायर लगेगी तो इंश्योरेंस का पेमेंट किया जाएगा. Premium refers to the amount that the insured has to pay to the insurer. It can be on monthly basis, on quarterly basis, half yearly or annual basis. Now there are few principles that are applied in insurance contract. The first one being the principle of utmost good faith. That is the principle of full honesty. Insurance is a contract based on faith. That means both the insurer as well as the insured must disclose all the material facts to each other, ठीक है, and they should not hide any information, because in case someone hides any information, the insurance company may deny to make payment. अगर आपने कोई बात छुपाई तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी डिनाई कर सकती है पेमेंट करने से कि नहीं आपने कुछ फैक्ट्स डिस्क्लोज नहीं किए थे, सो ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न योर पॉलिसी गेट कैंसिल्ड एंड आपको इसका कंपनसेशन नहीं मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इफ पर्सन हैज़ टेकन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी एंड ही हैज़ नॉट डिस्क्लोज दिस फैक्ट दैट ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम हार्ट डिजीज एंड ही डाइज फ्रॉम दैट, द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में डिनाई ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट ही हाइड अ मटीरियल इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम देम. Then similarly in case of general insurance, suppose we have taken a fire insurance policy and the owner has not disclosed this fact that they have received a warning from the electricity board that your wiring has become outdated, you have to get it changed. But in case the owner didn't disclose this fact to the insurance company and a fire breaks out, then the insurance company may deny to make payment to that owner. Next is the principle of insurable interest. Insurable interest means the interest in a object or in a person by a person that in case of loss to that subject matter can be any person or anything, the person who is taking the policy will suffer a loss. आप केवल उसी चीज़ का इंश्योरेंस करा सकते हैं जिसमें इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट है. इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट मीन्स कि अगर उस चीज़ के या उस इंसान को कुछ भी हार्म होता है तो उसका इफ़ेक्ट आपको पड़ेगा, उसका लॉस आपको होगा. एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ एनीथिंग जिसके डैमेज होने पे आपको लॉस नहीं हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव एनी इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट इन दैट एंड यू कैन नॉट टेक पॉलिसी फॉर दैट, ठीक है ना. विदाउट इंटरेस्ट टेकिंग एन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी इज अ गैम्बल एंड फ्रॉडलेंट एक्टिविटीज़ एंड लॉ डजंट परमिट इट. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लेते टाइम insurable interest come with a relationship with the person, ठीक है ना. You can take a policy of your spouse, you can take policy for your parents, you can take policy for your children, but you cannot take insurance policy for a stranger. So until and unless there is some relation, you cannot take life insurance policy for any person. In case of fire insurance, insured must suffer financial loss if the subject matter is damaged to prove the interest or he must be owner of the subject matter. यानी कि या तो आपको उस चीज़ के डैमेज होने पे नुकसान हो या आप उसके ओनर हो, तो इन दैट केस यू कैन टेक द पॉलिसी, ठीक है. अगर एक इफ पर्सन हैज़ टेकन लोन अगेंस्ट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ फैक्ट्री प्रेमिसेस, ठीक है, देन द लेंडर कैन टेक फायर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ऑफ द फैक्ट्री विदाउट बीइंग द ओनर ऑफ द फैक्ट्री. एक इंसान है, उसने लोन दिया एक पर्सन को और ऑन द गारंटी ऑफ हिज कंपनी, द अदर पार्टीज कंपनी फैक्ट्री, तो वो उस फैक्ट्री का इंश्योरेंस कराता है. द रीजन बीइंग, क्योंकि अगर उस फैक्ट्री को डैमेज होता है तो उसको भी नुकसान होगा, बिकॉज द फैक्ट्री इज अ कोलेटरल फॉर द लोन. So even though he is not the owner, but he has some interest in that factory, so he can take the insurance policy of that. ठीक है. In case of life insurance policy, interest must be present at the time of taking policy. In case of fire insurance, interest must be present at the time of taking policy and as well as the time of loss. ठीक है. तो इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में पॉलिसी लेते टाइम होना चाहिए, बट बाकी सब में पॉलिसी लेते टाइम भी एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ लॉस, दोनों टाइम पे होना चाहिए. The third principle that we are going to study today is the principle of indemnity, which states that insurance policy is not a contract of making profit. It is to bring back the insured in the same financial position as he was before. यानी कि you will never get any amount in excess of the loss that you have suffered. कम मिल सकता है, but you will never get any amount in excess of that amount. If a person has taken fire insurance or for his factory for worth rupees 2 lakh, a fire broke out, but he suffered a loss of only 1 lakh rupees, so he will get only 1 lakh rupees. He will not get 2 lakh. He will not get 2 lakh because the loss suffered is only 1 lakh, and it is a contract of indemnity. So only the amount that he has suffered, the loss he has suffered, will be given back to him. But this principle is not applicable on life insurance because the value of life of person cannot be determined, so the loss cannot be estimated. So in that case only, the principle of indemnity is not applicable. So this is it for today. In the next video we will discuss further more topics. Till then, take care and have a great day.